What is an adjournment? An adjournment is the dismissal by some court, legislative assembly, or properly authorized officer of the business before that body. And this is either done finally, which is popularly used, is called an adjournment sine die, meaning without day, or to meet again at another time appointed, which is called a temporary adjournment. Now, an adjournment sine die may allow itself to be reconstituted, but at that time the parties need to put an application in and reconstitute the proceeding that had been previously dismissed with a new date, which does not exist at that point in time. Thank you.